You're watching Monty TV. I'm Jackie Karsh, joined now by Tim Draper. He is the founder and managing partner at Draper Associates, a seed stage venture capital firm. Tim, thank you so much for sitting down with us.
Thanks for having me.
When you're someone like yourself, people almost consider you the Yoda of the venture world. You know, whatever you say must be a good investment because you've demonstrated that you can really pick winners. What are you bullish on?
I'm looking and I'm saying, what's the next industry that needs that kind of transformation? And it's usually an industry that's run by an oligopoly. It's where you get really bad service at a high cost. So like banking, or insurance, or real estate, or venture capital. You know, I can pick on my own industry. But I think the one that really just screams at me like really bad service, really high cost, government. So I'm actually looking to use new technologies to transform government. And so if you see anything like that, or if any of you guys are in government startups using the blockchain, whatever, Draper Associates.
What about government do you think needs fixing?
As government spending grows, we all get safer, 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 so that we're like bubble boy. And if government spending grows to more than like 30%, and we're now at about 50%, economic growth goes way down. And that's what's happened to us. And so if you either get high government spending or high economic growth. I want high economic growth because that creates jobs and wealth and a great society, whereas high government spending creates bubble boy. It creates this safety thing. And so I look and I say our government has grown too much. There's too much government spending and not enough private sector, and not enough growth in the economy. And so I look and I say, you can take like the blockchain, new technology, the blockchain or big data or whatever. The blockchain's like the perfect bureaucrat. It's honest, it's safe, it's secure, and it's fair. And it would treat everyone exactly equally, and it will keep perfect records. So that's so much better than a human. And so we might as well use the blockchain as our bureaucrats, and it'll save us all a lot of taxes.
Fewer and fewer companies that are seeded because there are so many startups actually go public. How does that affect you on the venture side of things?
They've made it almost impossible to go public because it costs $5 million a year to go public, and it's highly regulated, and it has really ruined the market. And so we're looking for all sorts of alternatives that allow private companies to be more tradable.
So it doesn't always have to be about an IPO anymore?
I think the IPO is gone, except in very few unusual cases.
It's good to hear that there's some movement on the other side. Tim, thank you so much for sitting down with us.
Great, nice talking with you.